Hello guys, how are you doing today? I wanted to play with these wax melts. I've only done it once, so I wanted to play with it, and I thought I would bring you along for the ride. So, I think I'll move the box. So today is Sunday, August 1st. We're getting ready to go into fall, aren't we? Today is my anniversary. And my husband got me 2 rings. I had bought a jewelry box not too long ago. Well, a few years ago. And now he feels he needs to fill it up. Alright, so we have the Tree of Life. Let's try this pretty green color. And you just have to put like 3 of these in. And then this kit I showed on a couple of videos ago. I got this from Amazon, and I will link it below. But it came with these awesome envelopes, and these are oh, what am I thinking? Oh my gosh, I am drawing a total blank. Anyways, they're really tough and strong, and the word will come to me. But they're all different colors. Looks like there's about 10 in there. And then it came with tweezers so that you could put gems, crystals, that sort of thing. And it came with 4 of the tea lights and this. And then the Tree of Life and the 2 pens. The gold and silver metallic color pens. Pretty cool. And I already had these 3 and then these. I want to get a butterfly and a rose. These you do, and you light it, and then you put it over your envelope or whatever you want to get the seal on. And I haven't done that. So this is ready already. That looks like it's a pretty color. And I'm not in front of it, so I don't know how even I'm going to be able to get this. I have it on wax paper so that I can lift them up and use them. Awesome. That was perfect, except I got it upside down for you. That is so cool. I love that color. I want to color it in with some of this gold, see what that looks like. Oh wow, this is pretty. Isn't that pretty? Can you see that? So pretty. And that should peel right off. Perfect. There we we go. I know some people swear against wax paper, but I don't know why. It just makes sense to me to use wax paper. And that must have been on the fire too long. Whoops, I can't move that now. So I want to try this blue color. All of these colors have a shimmer to them, except for this one white. But there is a white over here that has a shimmer. And whoops, I didn't clean that out. Gonna have a little bit of green in there. Yeah, and it looks like this pink is plain, but this one is shimmer. So maybe we'll change to this one. So yeah, it's pretty nice kit from Amazon. It was only $21. So it comes with a lot for a good price. And I learned about this kit from Rhonda at Whisk and Me. That's what I do. Awesome channel. She buys so much stuff. She just makes my heart flutter with all that she's able to get. And but yeah, she has an awesome channel. You should go check her out. But I learned about this from her. Oh, you can't even see me. I'm waiting for this to melt. I'm going to have to try to move that so you can see it. That's as low as I can bring you. So it looks like it's melted. I wish I brought a toothpick in. It's got a little bit of that green in there. It's a pretty shimmery blue. And this is some squirrely thing. But I think I like these. These are going to be nice in a journal. Sorry if I'm shaking you, but I had to go around. Oh, it's perfect. This is so easy to do. And I love the little, I know you can't see it, the little bit of green that's mixed in there. So that's a perfect, oops, I'm going to have to mix this pink in with the blue that's in here. This is just too much fun. Y'all are going to have to run out and get one now. So I have this one. Let's try this one. That way I tried all three of them. Although that should be green. It's little leaves. But yeah. Maybe I'll color this one in silver. See what the silver pen looks like. Marker, I should say. Nope, pen. Metallic pen. That's pretty. I think this one might be able to go in the journal I'm working on. There we go. That's pretty. I can see you need a toothpick or a stir. I know they sell stirrers. I can't think of the website, but they sell a bunch of this stuff. But I found that Amazon is cheaper. I getting in there, or is there a glare? The back side has a little bit of the wax paper, but, you know, stuck to it, but that's the part that's going to be glued down, and so you won't see the back. Those are pretty. Oh, look at the blue and pink mixed. It's making me think of marble. Gonna have to try. Gonna have to try white and do a marble effect. Looks like that needs to sit longer. There we go. That marble effect is awesome. Lift that up so you can see it. Can you see that marble effect? Doesn't look like it's focusing. No, it doesn't look like it wants to focus. Ah. Alright, let's try the white one. My assistant Holly is here.
Hello, everyone.
This white one's gonna have some pink and blue.
Yes.
And then maybe I'll clean it out and do the silver and the white.
I see different patterns on this. If you look real closely, I see this pattern everywhere. I see it. Can I color it? Look. Alright, I'm going to color this. I forgot what this is called. Gold? Gold?
Yes, it's gold.
Gold. Hopefully I don't burn myself.
This is pretty cool. This is fun.
Yeah, it is. I did it yesterday with her, and it was so much fun. Doesn't want to focus today.
Go down some. No.
Just a lighting.
Something.
Yeah, I found my popsicle sticks, and I opened them, and I seen the super thin one, so I was like, hey, maybe we could use that. It needs one color, maybe. It's a little ball. My grandma does such a good job with this. I tried it once, and like, it wouldn't work at all.
Yeah, just white. The blue's not in there.
Oh, that's sad.
And
I think the white would actually look good with gold or silver.
yeah.
I think we should do another silver so it's like equal, because these two are gold.
I'm gonna do the white with the silver and do a marble effect.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've seen the white gold kind of like white, gray, and gold kind of marble effect.
That's pretty.
Ooh.
And paint that gold.
Yes.
So maybe 2 silvers and 1 white.
Oh, yes. And then you can, maybe I can cut the end of the popsicle stick so it's extra thin.
No, it'll be fine.
Alright, just trying to. What color are you going to cover this?
Gold.
Ooh, can I try?
Or should it be silver?
No, it should be silver so it's an equal amount of the colors.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does. Oh, I guess not. Is it still wet?
No, probably a little bit.
Or maybe we should do a silver and a gold effect. Would you think that would look good?
Just paint.
Right. I like the tree effect. It makes it pops out. Oh, dang it.
Yeah, that's the tree of life.
Yeah, I've never known what the tree of life is actually about. Can you tell me?
Read the Bible.
I accidentally got some on the end, but I don't think you guys could see that.
There.
Ooh. Oh, that looks good. Very shiny, though. I love this set so much. It's like kind of like making your own design, really.
Yeah. You think that needs another white in there?
Nah. Maybe. Maybe just a half of a white.
I think of the sparkle one.
Yeah, the sparkle will make it pop out. But yeah, you guys should really go and buy this. This is so much fun.
This is fun, and they're going to be awesome in journals. Like if you have a piece of lavender or, you know, a dried flower of some sort. And put it, you know, behind it on an envelope. But don't actually seal the envelope. Just put it on the flap.
Oh, yeah.
And with a dried flower behind it. That would be very pretty for a journal.
Where's the other one that you made?
In my journal.
Ooh, nice. I would think maybe, you know those notepads, everyone, that you make with random scraps of paper? Well, maybe you could take that and put it, make a small baby envelope and use a small bit of that. I don't know what I'm doing, but you can make a small.
I'm using the wrong side.
Yeah, I think you're supposed. Maybe you can make a small little. What's the word that I'm looking for?
I don't know.
Envelope. Sorry. You can put the envelope, kind of like what my grandma said. And yeah, you could take a notepad and put it maybe on top of your notepad, or put something under the stamp and make it pop out so you can like cover your journal, maybe like put a lace around it. I don't know, but I'm just saying creative things.
There we go.
Another tree of life.
Yep, I have to get a butterfly.
Yeah.
But that is so... Are we gonna do silver? No, that is so pretty. So, I just wanted to play a little bit with you guys.
Yeah.
We're almost at the 20-minute mark, so... Yeah. I'm going to let you guys go, but I definitely wanted to show this to you and play a little bit. And trying to focus on these.
I think it's too much light. A little dark, but you can kind of see.
You can't get the right light, but
yeah,
you can see them, and you can see how much fun they are. So
yes, they are.
I will put the link below, and I checked them out, and Amazon was the cheapest that I could find. But yeah, definitely do your due diligence and see what works for you. All right, until next time, guys, have a great